Hello students, today we move on to the second part of median where we will see how we get the median which we had seen in the first part, and here we will also see quartiles. Quartiles means 1/4. I'll explain you with this example. Okay, so quartile, there are two things as you see, odd and even. Same way for lower quartile we have to see how many number of data is there of frequency. So if n is 19, we will see odd. Okay, like this question we will see odd number, n is 19. For even number things we will see in the next two sums, we will use even number things. So lower quartile also, like median, we have two formula, odd and even, and lower quartile also we have two. Upper quartile also we have two for odd and even, and interquartile range also I will explain when I do this introductory sum. So this is question 10 of exercise 21.2. So what do you see here, children? That we have total 19 number of things, 19 number of terms. So median means, so you see n is odd. So what I have done in the book, it was given in the random order. I have arranged it before because we can save time. For that I have already arranged. So one thing you remember in median, that you have to always arrange the data. So first thing, so we have arranged it. So first thing we have to find median. Median is also called the 50%, the middle value. Let us see, since n is odd, okay, n is 19. So what we do here is we take this formula, n plus 1 by 2h. See, this is observation. So here you put 19 plus 1 by 2. So what we get is 10th observation. Okay, so what we get here is 10th observation. So what is the 10th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So imagine if 19 things are there. If 19 things are there, if suppose we stand in height order. So these are all from small to big, ascending order. So we put it. So if you put all these numbers, okay, in ascending order, you will see 31 comes in the middle. 31 comes in middle. There are 9 terms to this side, 9 terms to that side. 9 plus 9 plus 1, we get 18 plus 1, 19. So this is the middle value. Median means the middle value, the middle observation, the middle term. Lower quartile, you see here, lower quartile when n is odd. So this formula, n plus 1 by 4th term. So this is, if you see, n is 19 plus 1 by 4 is 20 by 4. This is 5th term. Okay, this is th term. This is not number. So once more, if you have 19 things, the formula says, and with logic also I'll tell you, lower quartile is n, where 19 plus 1 by 4. So what is the 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 27 is the lower quartile. Now you try to understand that lower quartile is 1/4. So let me do this, then we will see we will clear the concept. Upper quartile. As you see, quartile means quarter, 1/4. It comes from what? Quarter, fourth part. 4 parts you divide. something like a full thing is there. Okay, this is half. If you take, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is half, this is 3/4. So half we have, this is half if you have a thing, and similarly this is your 3/4, 3 out of 4. So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So this is 3/4, this is 1/4, this is half. So same way, let us see upper quartile, which is also called Q3. Okay, so this is Q3, Q1, Q2, half. Median is half, this is 1/4, this is 3/4. So what is the formula here you see? For odd, 3/4 of n plus 1 value we have to see. So 3/4 of 19 plus 1, that is 20. 3/4 of 20th value, this is 15th, okay, value. So 15th value, will say this is 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. So 15th value is 41. So let us try to see if the full data you arrange, the middle one, 9 this side, 9 that side, middle one is called the median. This is 1/4, 1/4. So suppose 19 plus 1 when we add, 20 things are there. So you know 20 by 4 is 5. So 1/4. So 1/4 where we comes which value? 27. 3/4 means out of 20, 19 plus 1, we make odd into even. So 15th value is 41. Now there is another term called interquartile range, means this range. What is the range of the value? Forget the median. From this minus this. This is called interquartile range, means Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 3/4, 1/4, this is half. So this is Q3, 41 minus 27. 41 minus 27 is 14. This is our interquartile range. So kindly pause the video and copy it, and then we will take two questions, number 8 and number 11. So here I am going to do 8 and 11. Pause the video and copy it. So we will take two more questions to clear the concept, and you can practice more to understand it better. So you need to practice more sums from solved and unsolved example to become perfect. So next question, children, we have, it is not order in ascending order. So first what we will do, question 8 I go, 10 I did because it makes concept. So number 8, what you have to do, you have to write generally here marks, okay, and frequency, and definitely in this all sum we write cumulative frequency. Okay, so these are not arranged, so I am marking. So 20 is with frequency 8. Next in the book it is given 70, but if you take ascending order, next will be 40, whose value is 12. Then next is 50, whose value is 18. After 50 is 60, whose value is 6. After 60 we have 70, which is 12. Then we have 75, which is 9. And then we have 90, which is 5. So see how we learn to do here the cumulative frequency. First one you write like this, Second, you add this to this. Add this to this. Okay. So 8 plus 12, 20, 20, 18, 38, 38, 6, 44, 56, 65, 70. This and this, if you add, children, this is called summation of f or n. This is also 70. The total of frequency and the last value of cumulative frequency, they are same. If they are same, means you have not made mistake in adding. So this question, if you see, is just asking for median mark. So simply it is asking for median mark. Okay, so you see median, we have to give, so total value n. So n, that is total value, your summation of f is 70 or the last CF. So it is even. Even means, children, again we will use this formula. First one was odd, second even, means we will have median is equal to nth by 2 plus nth by 2 plus 1. Remember, this is not n plus 1 by 2. This is not this by 2. Okay. So now in place of n put 70. So 70 by 2 plus 70 by 2 plus 1. If you do here, it will become, okay, 70 plus 1 by 2. So this will become 71 by 2. So we will get something else. So don't do this. So this is 35th observation or term or observation. Okay. Plus 36th by 2. Okay. So here we have 35th observation, the main part. So when you see, when there are 70 things, see where 35 will come. 35 will come here. So if you arrange them, suppose 8 people have 20 marks, another 12 people have 40 marks, suppose like that, 8 people, 20 people. So when you come to this next, from 13th people, from 21st to 30th, you will see they get 50 marks. So if they are standing in a line, 21st to 30th, 38th, they are getting 50 marks. So this is 50 plus 36th also. 36 is less than 38 by 2. So median is 50. Once more I am telling you. You do out of 70 divide by 2. We get out of 70 35th observation. Since it is even, we will have 2 middle term. So 35th and 36th. So see where 35 and 36 comes. Okay, so what you do, without logic you understand, just see where 35 falls, between which two number. This two number, then see what is the mark for x. So you will see for these two marks are there. So down one you don't take. Down one you don't take, you take the upper value, because till 20 people they got 40 marks. From 21st to 38 people, if you arrange them, they have got 50 marks from 21st to 38 persons. So you understand, once more I am telling, make them stand in a line. 8 people with 20 marks, next 12 people with 40 marks, 20 people done. 21st people to 38 people, if they are standing in a line on the basis of mark, they all have got 50 marks. So 35th term, 36th term, both have 50, and the mean of that gives you the median. So one more example, the last example I'll explain. So please pause the video and copy. We do number 11 in a very similar way to build our concept. So Please pause and copy, and we start number 11. So the last sum for today session is number 11. Remember children, cumulative frequency means medium. You have to put the things in ascending order and then see. So question number 11, the last question we have is, we first make x variate generally sometimes we call x frequency, then CF. Okay, so here we have 15. This is, I think, already arranged. It is already in ascending order, so we don't need to do them. 20, so we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6. So what we do is we first get the cumulative frequency. So 4, 10, 18, 27, 34, 42, 48. So first we have to find, if you see in this question, we have to find median, lower quartile, the same way like what we did. Median is Q2. You see n is 48. As I told you in my last discussion, summation of f is n. This and this should be equal. The last term of CF and the sum of frequency should be equal. So here n is even. Again I will use this formula. Median is equal to nth by 2 plus nth by 2 plus 1 term by 2. So what do you see children here? We have n is 48. 48 by 2 plus 48 by 2 plus 1. These are terms, these are not values. So we have to see 24th term plus 24th plus 1, 25th term by 2. So what is 24th term? See, 24 will come here. If you see, if you arrange 15, 4 person has 15 suppose, then 6 have 18, then another 8 has 20. So after that 19th thing, a term to 22nd term has, so here this is 18th as well as 19th term. So I said see where it will come. So 18th, so here 24th and 25th term will be between 18th and 27th term. So don't see the lower value. This is between these two cumulative frequency. See the upper value. So 22 plus 22 by 2, we get 22. Next is we have lower quartile. Lower quartile. So lower quartile for your even number is n by 4. Lower quartile for even number is n by 4th term. This is also called Q1. This is Q2. So what do we get? 48 by 4 is the 12th term. So see, 12 comes here. 12 comes here, 12th term. Between 10 and 18, take the upper value, that is 20. So lower quartile is 20, and then we will go for upper quartile. So please, I am pausing. You all copy it, and then we have question interquartile range. So I hope you have copied. We move to the upper quartile. Upper quartile, you see an interquartile range. So third part is upper quartile, that is Q3. So for even number, you see it is 3n by 4, 3n by 4th term. This is term. So n is 48, as you all know. N is 48. So this term is 36th term. This is not the answer. 36 will come here. 36th will come here. Between these two, take the upper value. Take the upper value. In between this, take the upper value. This is the Q3. So it is 27. And the last part, interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So remember, children, we got 27, and here we had got 12th term, Q1 as 20, if you remember. So interquartile range, this range, what we have is this 27 minus 20. 22 was median, and this was our lower quartile. 20 was our lower quartile, median Q2, Q1, Q3, we subtract and we get. So kindly practice whatever sum you have based on such question. Thank you for watching.